Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to see unsent messages on Messenger. First of all, you have to open the application and go here to settings, and after that you have to scroll down until you see a notification and sounds. So click on that, and you have to turn on the notification option, and that's it. That is the way you can finally see unsent messages on Messenger. So, and that's it, guys. This is the whole video. Thank you for watching, and see you next one. Bye bye.